Hello and welcome to another episode of our Canva design tutorials, and today we're going to be doing up another logo using the same color scheme. Let's go. It's always important to make duplicates of what you've done in case anything goes wrong. Alright, so now we're going to do a penpal program poster, and let's look for some images related to letters. Right, so we got the main theme going, and we're sticking to the colors that we originally set out to use. So it's great. And now let's fill up with some details. So this program is pen pal writing. So we're getting used to write letters to seniors. So due to the COVID-19 situation, volunteering can't be done over the traditional means. So just switching it up a little and seeing how this program goes. So let's come up with sweet tagline for this. So we're going to go for a few of that handwritten letter. So this will be the description of the program, and we're going to use some handwritten fonts. Sometimes it's important to know when to use capital letters and when not to. So if we want to use it for the description of our program, we shouldn't be using all capital letters. It's like shouting. And yep, so we'll try to look for a font with different. Alright, so after some fine tuning, here's the final design. So let's run through some elements in this design. We have the title over here, the description of the event, as well as a big back logo. Obviously, we followed the color scheme, and it's a little different from traditional posters where the title is on top and the description of the event will be at the bottom. But because of the design of how things go, it'll just be a bit dynamic, and yeah, this is what we have. So that's the end of today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If not, see you next time.